Hi, my name is Layla and this is my little brother named Mataya! Today we're going to do a food challenge in honor of St. Patrick's Day and all the food is going to be green, just like our shirt. And we have to eat whatever is under this special dish. Before we get started, we're going to put on some festive green wear. Oh, look, there's like green.
Ooh, you guys look great. Okay, we. Nope. Do you guys want to? Do you want to switch it or you want to keep it?
I want to keep.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's go ahead. Who's gonna open first? Let's do Mateo. Okay, cause he's younger. Right, Mateo? You ready? Okay. Go ahead. Open it up. Whoa! What's wrong? It looks great, Mateo. Try it. You eat more. That's a good one. You got a good one. Okay.
Yes! The chippies!
Oh! I wanted to switch. I wish I could.
There's some spicy thing on it.
What's wrong?
There's some weird thingy on it.
Yes, I think those are jalapeno. What is that? There's wasabi flavor pea snacks.
Mommy, magic beans.
Magic beans. What are you gonna do with those? Eat them. Oh, good boy. Go ahead, eat your beans. Good job. Good food. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Good. Thumbs up? Thumbs middle? Okay. What do you think, Mateo? Do you like your beans? Thumbs down. Okay. All right.
Fired!
You're fired!
Fired! Fired! Fired!
Okay. Switch it or keep it?
Switch it!
Layla?
Pickles! Okay, mine. Grapes! Ooh. I love grapes.
Not bad. What kind of pickles are those? Sweet or dill? Okay, good. So, do you guys like grapes?
And Layla gives me
Oh, Layla, you have to eat yours.
white.
Oh, wait, what? You want one bite of her pickle? Oh, that's okay. Do you guys want to share? All right. Oh my. Ooh, dill pickles and grapes. That's a weird combination. Okay, Layla, would you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
I got a pretty good check.
How about you, Layla? What would you give it?
I would give it a medium.
Medium? Okay. You're both gonna keep it. And Mateo's gonna open up first, Layla, because he's younger, right?
I feel
What's wrong, Mateo?
I don't want it. I want
You know what that's called, Mateo? I think that's kale. I think it's dinosaur kale. You know? It looks like it's dinosaur-y. Okay, come on, Mateo. Go ahead, give it a try. All right, Layla.
no!
What? It's great.
They're olives. Well, I think I have one. I think I would switch. I knew I should have switched.
All right.
Blech.
Okay, do you guys want to switch it?
Yes.
Yes.
Or you want to try each other's out? Why don't you go ahead and both try them out?
Yeah, switch.
Try them out. Both of you. Just try them out. See what you think. Come on.
Yuck.
I don't think green is good.
Mateo, you want to try olives?
Let's switch.
Do you like olives, Mateo?
Yes, he likes.
Do you even know what olives are?
Try it, Mateo.
Okay. What do you want to give it? A thumbs up or thumbs down, Mateo?
Thumbs down.
Thumbs down? Okay, thumbs down. All right.
Olive, you have to try olive. Try it. Try it. It would taste good. Try it. Remember in the video? Let me feel yours. Let go. Let me feel this. I'm gonna go with, I want to switch.
No.
I want to switch.
I don't want to switch. I want to keep.
I'll keep.
Okay. Who's gonna open? Whose turn is it to open?
Me. No, because you already had open last one. Remember?
I think it's sister's turn. Okay.
It's baby food. Green beans. All right, Mateo, it's your turn.
Eat your green beans, Layla.
Oh yes, so good. Can you try some, please?
Ice cream.
It's not ice cream. It's pistachio pudding. Hey, why don't you guys go ahead? Hey, you should have some of the baby food. Why don't you try some of the baby food? But you're like a baby. You're so cute and soft. Gaga. Okay, okay. All right, what do you think? What do you think about the baby food, Layla?
I like this one. I like that.
No, is it a thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down? Okay. It's good, huh, Mateo?
I really want something.
Is it good, Mateo? You like it?
I thought it was gonna be like a.
All right. You like that, Mateo?
Yeah, I ate on my
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Oh
Guys,
my
I ate on
word.
my dish.
All right.
So yummy.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
I'm gonna
Okay.
feel them.
Do you guys want to
Which
keep
are
or switch?
keep?
I want to switch.
I want to keep.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
I'll
Okay.
keep it.
I think it's Mateo's turn to open up.
I want to keep. I want to.
That's not edible.
Oh, okay.
All right, my turn. No! What is this? No.
It is collard greens.
You want to switch?
I don't think you've ever had collard greens before. And yours is you want to switch? Yours is parsley, Mateo. Hey, what are you guys doing? I don't think you guys are supposed to. I don't think that's part of the rules. Switching. I don't think switching is part of the rules. Where are you going? Try a little bit. Layla, you're actually the one who picked this one. You should try a little bit. What do you think? All right, thumbs up for what? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down? All right. How about you, Mateo? What do you think, Mateo? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, okay. Thumbs down. All right. Okay, we'll move it. Let's go. Say it loudly. You don't want to switch it? Okay. All right. All right. Whatever you get, you need to eat it, okay?
turn
Ready?
now.
No, Layla's going to open first, okay? Okay, watch Layla.
Gummies!
But you said you didn't want to switch. Hey, you said you didn't want to switch. Hold on. You need to try your cactus. It is cactus. Isn't that so cool? We never.
This with pokies.
Well, we cut the pokies off, and it's edible. You know what that means? That means you can eat it. Layla, why don't you teach him? Why don't you take a bite out of the cactus and show him that you can actually eat the cactus?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I just hope we're not supposed to pick it. Are we supposed to pick it? Go ahead. It tastes like a plant. Come on. Come on. You gotta eat something good. You're just eating those frogs. Oh. Say thank you, sister. Okay. Time out. Can you both of you take a bite of the cactus and let's see. Let's see. Tell me just a little bite. Let me know. What else? Good? Little plain? Okay, Mattel, take a little bite. It's not spicy. All right, thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down and thumbs up. All right, thumbs down for the cactus, thumbs up for the green frogs. Okay.
My turn to open it.
Can I switch? Can I switch?
It's up to Mateo. You both have to agree. Oh, he already opened it. What do you have there, Mateo?
Oh, yeah, bad. I don't think.
What'd you get?
Oh, let me put some.
Let me get some.
All right, I guess you guys like this, huh? So you got some, what's there, Mateo? What do you have? Green chips. Those are the only green chips I could find at the store. How about you, Layla? What do you have? Avocado. All right. I guess this is a good one, huh? This is an easy one. What do you guys think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? All right.
Take a little peek.
Nope, no peeks at all. Keep Mateo or switch?
I want to
Keep? You want to keep? Okay, Mateo, you open first. Layla, go ahead.
jelly fruit.
I have one.
Yes, you can have it. I love these. They're my favorite. Oh, got it. Oh, got it.
All right. What do you guys think?
I like them.
Okay, Mateo. Oh my word.
And this jelly fruit and apple.
Yeah, that was so good.
We're getting dizzy. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're back again. All right, are you guys ready? What do you want to keep it? Okay,
I want-
who's opening first?
Me.
All right, okay, go ahead, Mateo. Hey, how did you know that? Did you peek?
I opened it up and saw it.
That's cheating, Mateo. All right.
Celery.
What you always wanted.
Not bad.
Not bad? You like that, Mateo? The seeds? You like the seeds? All right, you guys. So, thumbs up? Thumbs up, Mateo? Good. And let's have Layla open up first. Do you guys want to switch? Nope. Oh, too late. Look what you got, Layla.
What's it called?
Beans.
Oh, yummy! Layla, look.
We had to sort those out to get it green, only green, because there's actually a lot more orange in there than there is green. What kind of syrup? Pistachios are green. They are. Good? What do you think? Medium? All right, what do you think, Mateo? Thumbs up. How do we know? Okay.
Put your cap.
Okay, do you guys want to switch? You're gonna keep. All right, who's opening first? Okay, go ahead, Mateo. Ooh, Gatorade, a green Gatorade. Sister, can you help them? Help them pour that? Okay, go ahead, Layla.
What is it? Daily greens.
It's a green vegetable juice, but it's got some good stuff in it, Layla. Good, Mateo? I think you're supposed to shake it up. That's why. You gotta close up the lid and you gotta shake it up. And then it's gonna taste really, really good. Yeah. Do you want more of the green Gatorade? Shake it. Shake it. Is it a little tight? All right, shake it like, upside down. No, so that it mixes really well. Oh my goodness. Okay. Like flip it upside down. There you go. Thumbs up. All right.
Thumbs down.
Well, she hasn't tried it yet. Okay, Layla, go ahead and try it. This time it should be really, really good. It is Daily Greens. Nope, you gotta put it in there. Come on. You want me to pour it for you? Come on. Here, let's try it. Nana, could you go ahead and do that for her? Layla, it's not that bad, is it?
Yours are actually hurting.
Your what's hurting? You want to have some of hers?
No, I want to give her some.
Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, Layla. What? It looks like what? Mateo, wait. She has to drink her own. Mateo, wait. No, wait.
I can't do
Okay, go ahead, Layla. Just drink it up.
All of it?
Yeah, it's good.
No.
Come on, just try it.
Come on, Layla, just try it.
How about Mateo? Let's see if Mateo will try it. Mateo, why don't you try it? Layla, awa. Mateo, you're faking it. Is it good?
Can I try some
All right.
first?
Okay, here we go. Really? What a good brother. What do you say to brother?
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. All right. What did you say, Mateo? What did you say?
Says 0
And what do you think?
20.
20 stars? All right. You guys did such a good job. This is your final. Hold on, don't open it yet. This is your final one, and
I don't want to swim.
you don't want to switch? Okay.
Layla's
You're gonna keep. Okay, Layla's turn. Layla will open it first.
Jello! I got Jello!
I got Jello too.
All right. You guys did such a good job, so we wanted to give you guys something sweet at the end, something good that you guys will both enjoy. And I just want to talk to you guys about one thing. What was your favorite part of the food challenge?
When I got the gummies and the junk food.
Okay, how about you, Mateo? What was your favorite part?
Nothing. I got the best.
You got the bad stuff? You got some good stuff, right?
Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you like our video. If you did, then like and subscribe. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you like our video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thumbs down.
Bye bye.
Okay, one more. Ready? Layla, you said like and subscribe.